Welcome to Mavi Design Super Quick Tutorial. In this episode, I'll show you how to crop images in Photoshop. Cropping an image basically means slicing away pieces of the image from the sides. For example, you remove a piece from the right-hand side of the image, or all four sides at once. That's up to your specific goals with a given project. To crop an image, look for this icon. You should be able to find it on the left-hand side of the interface in this toolbar. If you can't see the toolbar, navigate to Window, and then make sure that Tools are selected. Now, click the icon. You see that all these handles appeared. If you grab one of them and drag it around, you'll be able to adjust the crop area. The lighter part of the image highlights the area that will remain, and the shaded area will be deleted. Let's say that I want to keep only this part of the image. I will simply position the handles around this area, like this. Now, as always, I have to confirm this change by clicking the check mark up here. Done. Our image is cropped. But what if we want to crop it into a square? In that case, we need to specify the aspect ratio of a square, which is 1:1. Let me just undo the cropping by pressing Command Z. Now, in this drop-down menu where it says ratio, we need to select a square. You can choose from a few presets, or specify the aspect ratio yourself in these two fields. One of these presets says square, so let's use that one. This changed the highlighted area into a square. If we now grab these handles to adjust the size of the crop area, it doesn't let us change the aspect ratio. It locks down to a square format, which is exactly what we wanted. Let's position it as we need and confirm the change once again. Good. The important thing to remember is that you can specify any aspect ratio you need. This is useful when transforming images, for example, into social media graphics. And that's it. Now you can crop any image into any format very quickly. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for tuning in for this video. If you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time.